Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will be showing you how to connect your Logitech MX Ergo mouse. So as you guys see, I'm on the desktop. I have the Logitech Options app and I'm going to connect my dongle. As you see inserted, if you don't have a dongle, you don't need the Logitech Options app. You only need your cable, or you can connect it through Bluetooth. So just open Logitech WebConnect, click USB receiver, click connect, and then add device, and then just wait a bit. And after you wait, I will just show you. You can try turning the mouse on and off. I'll try that right now. So you should, oh yeah, as you see, it's connected. So just go into your Logitech Options, and then you can try to just you just need to wait. Let me just wait a bit. And as you see, it's connected. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.